Hey there, fellow travel junkies, ready to experience Iceland, the land of fire, ice, and let's be honest, really expensive everything. But don't worry, whether you're rolling in dough or rolling up your sleeves to save, I've got you covered. Picture this, you standing in front of a stunning waterfall, either pinching pennies or sipping champagne. Sounds intriguing, right? Stick around because in this video, I am going to explore Iceland's wonders on both a shoestring budget and a luxury dream. And spoiler alert, there is a way to see the northern lights for free. And I'm not talking about stealing someone else's view. Let's dive into this wild Icelandic adventure, shall we? Welcome to Iceland, where the scenery is epic. The food is, let's say, interesting, and the weather keeps you guessing. Seriously, you might start the day in a t-shirt and end it in a parka. Whether you're a budget traveler looking to stretch every krona, or a luxury lover ready to splurge, Iceland has something for you. So buckle up. Whether it's in a rented 4x4 or a backpacking harness, we're about to take a wild ride through this magical land. All right, penny pinchers, let's talk about how to experience Iceland without selling a kidney. Finding affordable places to stay in Iceland can feel like hunting for a unicorn. But good news, you don't need magic, just a bit of planning. Look for budget-friendly spots like Kek's Hostel in Reykjavik. And remember, nothing says adventure like sharing a dorm room with snoring strangers. Bonus tip, if you book early and stay outside the main tourist spots, you'll save enough to afford that extra hot dog later. Eating out in Iceland can make you feel like you're dining with royalty, minus the actual crown. So how do you avoid going broke? Easy, become a hot dog connoisseur at Vegarin's Bestu Pilsur, where they've mastered the art of sausage since 1937. And hey, it's cheaper than a burger at McDonald's, if Iceland had a McDonald's, that is. Don't forget to swing by bonus grocery stores for DIY meals. Why pay for fancy when you can have a gourmet picnic by a geyser? Getting around Iceland on a budget is like navigating a lava field. You need a plan. Rent a car if you want to be your own tour guide, but compare prices like your vacation depends on it, because it does. If you're really thrifty, try public buses, or if you are the risk-taker type, it is a popular place for hitchhiking. I wouldn't, but if you do, just make sure you're not picked up by someone who thinks the Golden Circle is a jewelry store. Iceland's natural beauty is free, which is exactly in your price range. Visit Gullfoss and Seljalandsfoss and explore Thingvellir National Park. These spots are so breathtaking, you'll forget you didn't pay a cent. And don't miss out on the Reynisfjara Black Sand Beach. It's like standing on a different planet, minus the alien abduction risk. Sure, you could pay for a guided tour, but why not go rogue and explore Reykjavik on foot? Or take a hike literally through Iceland's trails. And if you're feeling fancy but still frugal, soak in a public thermal pool for just a few bucks. After all, where else can you relax in hot water while surrounded by cold air and questionable locals? All right, high rollers, let's talk about how to turn Iceland into your personal playground. Why just sleep when you can sleep luxuriously? Stay at the retreat at Blue Lagoon or Hotel Ranga, where you'll be pampered like a Viking king or queen. Or if you want to combine stargazing with snoozing, book a night in a glass igloo. Because why settle for counting sheep when you can count shooting stars? Time to eat like a Viking, but classier. Head to Dill or Metur og Dreikur for fine dining that will make your taste buds do a happy dance. Want to really impress your Instagram followers? Go on a culinary tour and post every bite. Remember, calories don't count when you're on vacation, especially not when you're dropping serious cash. Why drive when you can be chauffeured? Hire a private driver, or better yet, take a helicopter tour for that I'm a celebrity feeling. After all, why see the sights from the road when you can see them from the sky? Plus, there's something oddly satisfying about landing in front of a glacier like you own the place. Want to feel like a VIP? Book a private tour of Iceland's must-see spots, or go exclusive with a glacier hike that's just for you and your entourage. And when it's time to chase the northern lights, do it from a luxury base camp with a cocktail in hand. Because who needs binoculars when you've got champagne? Get ready for experiences that'll make your friends back home seriously jealous. Private whale watching? Check. Helicopter rides over volcanoes? Check. And don't forget a spa day at the Blue Lagoon, because you deserve to soak in luxury while pondering how amazing your life is. These are the kind of adventures you'll be bragging about for years. Whether you're exploring Iceland on a shoestring or living it up in luxury, one thing's for sure, you're in for an unforgettable adventure. And hey, why not mix and match? Spend your days budget-friendly and your nights living large. Just remember to leave a little room in your suitcase for the memories and maybe an extra sweater. This is Iceland after all. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel guides and tips. I'm excited to announce that I'm working on a website that will offer even more value, including a monthly newsletter with the latest travel insights, and any discounts that come my way will be shared on my site. And of course, what's a website without a blog about the latest scoop and what's trending in the world that day? I hope you'll join me on this journey that started with this channel in March 2024. In the meantime, if there's a destination you'd like to learn more about, please let me know in the comments. I would love to hear about your own travel tips and experiences related to Iceland. Check out my other travel videos in the playlists on my channel. I've worked in the travel industry most of my life, and I've always enjoyed hearing from clients about their adventures. The world is vast, and there's always something new to discover. I welcome your stories and experiences, as we can all learn so much from each other. Safe travels, everyone.